Hi, I'm Sian. I'm a bra design and fitting expert working with Playful Promises today to talk to you about sister sizing. I'm here with the wonderful Josie Jane. She is a fuller bust lingerie Instagrammer and influencer. You can find her on Instagram at I am Josie Jane. A lot of people don't understand sister sizing and how simple it can be to help you find the perfect bra fit. Josie here is a 30 double G, but would you believe it, she can also wear a 34 double F and a 32 G. So I have two bras here, as you can see. The wires are the same length, the neck edge is the same. The only thing that's different is the length of the underband. This underband has an extra 4 centimetres added on. You've also got the hook and eye where you can add in another 3 centimetres, so you've got a full range there for adjustment to get the perfect fit. So the lovely Josie here is going to demonstrate for you the different sister sizes that she can wear, which is a 30 double G, a 32 G and a 34 double F.